All right, we're gonna go for our second part of the Shamrock Shake, which adds a little bit of flavor and yumminess. This is the one that the leprechauns keep away from us as an extra yumminess. So we're gonna show you today how to do that. It's basically the same as our Shamrock Shake with a different flavor to it. So we're starting with ice cream. We got that, same as our Shamrock Shake. Then we're gonna add the milk, again, same as the Shamrock Shake. But instead of that mint to give you the shamrock part of it, we're gonna add chocolate. So we're gonna have a chocolate shake, and we're adding 1/8 of a cup of chocolate syrup. Who doesn't love chocolate? Well, some people, I guess. But I do. So if 1/8 of a cup is not enough for you, feel free to add more. And we're going to mix this up and blend it, just like our Shamrock Shake. If you want, you can double this recipe. Like I said, I've got it from another website that you'll see that asks for you to make it double. So it just depends on how many people you're feeding. So we're gonna blend this up. Shake it a little bit, make sure I get all the chocolate. There we go. Looking good, looking yummy. All right, like I said, this is gonna add an extra layer to our Shamrock Shake. So what we're gonna do is just layer them. We're gonna pour our chocolate shake in first. And then I've got my Shamrock Shake. We're gonna layer that on top. See if I can get it so they rest on each other. Then of course you need to add some whipped cream on top. Maybe some chocolate chips. I have mini chocolate chips here for some sprinkles. And a little bit of sparkle to go with that. And there is a Shamrock Shake half chocolate shake. So delicious. Oh, yum. What do you call a leprechaun who collects aluminum cans, cardboard, and plastic water bottles? A wee cycler.